Let's talk about it today. The operation of this machine. So let's talk a little bit about the machine. What does it need to do before use? We have now assembled the machine. After assembly, let's look down. In this position on the instrument, there is a water outlet. Here's a hand to add distilled water. Then there are two holes below. If you go down, it has an overflow hole in it. When we add water, use the funnel to plug it in. Plug it in this position. Down. We use a CBC. Plug it above the overflow hole. After, we add distilled water to it. After filling up, water will come out of the overflow hole. It means it has been filled up. The roll of drill hose. It is used to replace the water tank later. Only need to use. Then our instrument here is filled with water. I won't demonstrate it here. Later customers can follow what we just said. Use this step to add water. This is the connecting cable of the full switch. We plug in this position. Then the following position. Here is the negative line. It goes through the bayonet. We just need to look at this car slot inside. Just rotate it and tighten it. This is the negative wire and the negative plate. When using it, it needs to be used with a negative electrode plate. Our negative plate. It belongs to the category of consumables. After a period of time, if the viscosity inside it is reduced, you need to replace it with a new one. How to install here? After opening this negative wire clip, just clamp the negative plate. The spring is unbreakable. The customer tries not to use force to break here. And these are the two handles of the machine. Handle before placement. We recommend put the handle in. So that the probe can be recognized. Like this. Put the two handles inside. Put it in my current direction. Assembly on the probe. Let's demonstrate here. If we take off the handle, the machine recognizes the interface that the handle picks up. Here are the two handles. This is equipped with a probe. Here is where the energy output can be released. If the customer uses a pedal, this switch doesn't work. We have two models. One is manual. One is a pedal. This is what it looks like without the probe installed. This is installed. Let's take the head off. It has a buckle on both sides. We pinch it for assembly or dismantling, including replacing the probe. Probes are also consumables. This is the energy output surface, and that probe has a 1200 watt lifetime. Before assembly, we can tell the direction based on this position. This is a large hidden angle with 6 cars. Here, the small hidden angle has only 3 cars. We will dress according to this direction. After this line is aligned, pinch the buckles on both sides and push them inside. Push it and release in a straight line. Let's pull it lightly. Check if it's clamped. Just clamp it tightly. Power on next, so let's talk about the interface. If the normal assembly is successful, the lights on these two arms, it will light up naturally. If one side of it is not connected properly, then the light on its side will not be on. And take a look at the back. There is a tie rod in this position. The function of this tie rod is to make this light a little longer. Just make the cable of the handle longer. In this way, customers can go to the patient treatment operation remotely. Now this interface appears. That is, the handle is not completely close to the bracket. So it has this induction. If we put the handle close to the inside, it will not have this interface. If this interface appears in later customers, just check if the handle has a connector. Did you go to stick to the bracket? After this interface appears, don't worry about these icons. Including this, don't worry about it. Here's what we wrote on it. Not much use. Here is the handle. One of two handles is used. We will pick up the handle according to the operation. It will automatically enter the operation interface. The first is the vibrating gear. And then this is the vibration gear opening. The following is refrigeration. Here is the intensity of the energy. Then we can ignore this. To the right, this is to set the number of our treatments. Please see the total number of orders below. Set the number of treatments. Here is a recorded usage number. Up is what is currently recognized by this probe, the number of runs remaining. Then there are the settings. Let's take a look at enter. Here are the sound settings. Mainly the choice of the sound. Then the volume of the sound. Then down are pedals and manual. Buttons on the handle is manual. If you need to use a pedal, we'll just shift it to the right. Then an open gear for refrigeration. We normally default to this. And down below is the pattern of the output. Continuous output mode. Don't worry about the rest. Then after setting it up, we withdraw. Then on this interface, operate for customers.